Affiliate marketing. A lot of people don't have knowledge about affiliate marketing, and that is how those who call themselves gurus in this space used to rob the beginners or those who have not have any knowledge about affiliate marketing. This is how they used to rob you people. And if you don't want to fall as a victim, make sure you watch this particular video all the way from beginning to the end. And in this video, I'm not going to promote you anything. I just want to give you guys a real value and how you can also make some money on affiliate marketing without even depending on any guru. So make sure you actually watch this video all the way from beginning to the end. And more to the point, as you're watching this particular video, make sure you comment your experience in the comment section. If you have ever been scammed by an affiliate marketer, comment in the comment section and let me know. So a lot of people, like, they want to actually make money in the online space, and they'll just be scrolling through on their feed and they'll come across a video that they'll tell them that, oh, they can make money from affiliate marketing. And because of the results that the people are showing them, they just fall interest in it and they want to drive more to know how they are able to make that particular kind of money. But if I tell you that in real term, a lot of them make money off those people that they just deceive that they are making money from affiliate marketing. A lot of them make their money from them, and this is a truth that many people have been hiding for years. And a lot of affiliate marketers don't want this kind of information to be leaked out, and I'm going to leak it out to those innocent people out there so that they can use it to their advantage to make money, and also not to depend on any affiliate marketer who can use them as advantage. So a lot of affiliate marketers, this is what they do. Many people, they have never actually earned a living from it except they sell you course. That's the case, except they sell you course. A lot of affiliate marketers will tell you guys that you can make money on affiliate marketing, and they'll tell you guys that, oh, if you want me to teach you, or if you want to know how to make money on affiliate marketing, make sure you buy my course. And they'll tell you that there is a link in the video description or in the link in their description, which you can click on them on that to either join their WhatsApp channel, where they will now let you pay money before you start. Like, they will give you some PDF or something to read about affiliate marketing, which is sometimes it's just a copy and paste that they just join from online. They have never actually make money from the online space as an affiliate except they sell you course, and a lot of people don't know about it. And more to the point, many people, if you tell them to show you where they are actually make their money as affiliate, they can't show you. They can't just show you that either maybe I'm making my money from NordVPN or from selling of, maybe promoting of either microphones or anything. A lot of them, they can't show you this. They can't just show you this. But what they can show you guys is that it's a screenshot of them with a screenshot of them for a payment, which is sometimes just from a particular platform that they are actually using to sell their course. And this information has been hiding. And this is what I want you guys to do. Before you pay money for anybody as an affiliate, make sure you do more investigation about the person. Know how the person actually makes his money before. If the person is only making his money by selling course, don't go for that kind of person. How will you know that? The only thing that you can actually spot this kind of people is that they will never show you guys the kind of platforms that they actually promote to make that money. They will never show you guys that. The only thing that they will tell you, they'll be showing you is either to buy their course, where they will show you how to make money on affiliate marketing, and which is actually there all over the place. It is actually there all over the place on YouTube or on many social media platforms, which you can also get it for free. And more to the point, on actually Google, anybody can just Google on how to make money on affiliate marketing. And nowadays we are even having AI where you can tell it to write an ebook on affiliate marketing, and AI will just do everything for that particular person. Within an hour, the person will compile an ebook and sell it to you and make money. That's what many people do, and don't fall a victim of that. So this is what they are actually doing to you. But now I'm going to actually give you guys the real juice, how to actually make money on affiliate marketing. This is how you actually make money on affiliate marketing. First of all, you need to actually either build a brand. That's the case. You need to build a brand, or you need to actually run an ad to start making money on affiliate marketing. Like, you can't just sit down and read an ebook and start making money on affiliate marketing. It has never happened, and it will never happen. You need to actually provide a value, and from there you get paid in return. And how are you going to provide value? Let's say that I'm actually using a tripod, or let's say I'm using a microphone and that particular microphone is good. I can write a review about the microphone, and I will just link you guys, maybe anybody that will click on that particular microphone, I'll just link like a platform where you can actually get that particular microphone. I'll just link that particular product there, and when anybody click on that particular product and go and buy that particular product using a link like where I sign as an affiliate, using that particular link to go and buy that particular product, the platform will pay me a percentage of that particular product. And that is how you can make money on affiliate marketing. And it's not about you selling courses. Also selling courses, that's a different thing. And no, I'm not against people selling courses. If you see that somebody is actually making money from the like affiliate marketing, real, you see that the person is actually promoting things using different kind of strategies to make money, and the person is showing you his dashboard that this is what I've made from either this is the amount of money I made as affiliate of Video IQ, this is the amount of money that I made as affiliate of Digistore 24, and you are seeing those kind of things, then I think that person is a guaranteed kind of person that you can learn from. And for nowadays in the online space, it is very difficult for somebody to give you guys knowledge for free. For that one is real. But what I'm against is somebody selling you the thing that person have never done it before. That's what I'm against. But if the person is actually doing those kind of things, and you are seeing that the person is doing, and the person is also promoting that kind of things to you, I'm not against that. And more to the point, in affiliate marketing we have two types of ways. As I told you guys, that you can either build a brand and use it to promote your affiliate product, or you can also run an ad. And for the ad aspect, many platforms doesn't like that. Like example, like 11 Labs like this, where you want to run ads as an affiliate, they will never allow you that. Or even if they allow you that and they find out that you use an ad to get traffic to that particular offer, they will never pay you your affiliate amount that you get paid. Like you get those that have signed through your link, they will not pay you. 11 Labs like this, they will not pay you when they find out. And a lot of like platforms are there that will also do the same thing. And many people, like many platforms, want organic ways that you drive traffic to their platform. And when you drive organic traffic to their platforms, they'll pay you for that. And almost every influencer on the online space make money from affiliate marketing. And some make it directly or indirectly. And some people, they will do it in the form of either brand deal, they will do some kind of thing and they'll make money from it. And if you go that deep into it, it's an affiliate marketing that they did. And more to the point, don't just be the kind of person you want to start today and tomorrow you're making money. Affiliate marketing, it takes a lot of time and consistency. Somebody can take up to a year without even earning a single dime from affiliate marketing, but when it starts, it compounds. Especially when you are promoting an affiliate offers that deal with recurring commissions. And recurring commissions is when maybe you are able to get someone to sign through your link, and the person will continue to pay for that particular service over and over again, and you get a portion of that particular person payment. That's how affiliate marketing works. And more to the point, before you'll be able to build a strong affiliate marketing brand, you need to actually start creating content. You can see all the big YouTubers, they are having links to product in their video description, and that is how they make money as affiliate. And it is actually guaranteed that when you are doing this over and over, you're going to be making money over and over as well. So make sure you don't fall a victim of anybody that will be promoting something that they have never done before. Make sure you don't fall a victim of that kind of thing. And more to the point, stay educated. Go out there and do your own research. Don't use this particular video alone as a pinpoint to start affiliate marketing. Do more research about affiliate marketing if you want to start an affiliate marketing. And I'll see you in the next video like this. Bye bye for now. Peace out.